this video, I'm going to show you the ways to download Vods on your Twitch account. Hi guys, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm going to show you the ways to download Vods to your Twitch. So to do this, you need to follow the simple steps. Open up a browser and on the web address bar, type in twitchtv.com, log into your account. When you're logged into your account, that's going to take you to the home page, which is going to look something like this. Now while you're on this page, press the profile icon from the top right hand side corner of your screen. Then you could go to video producers. While you're on the video producers section, here you could go ahead and find out all the videos that you have. In my case, I do not have any of these videos. I have not even uploaded one single video. So when you locate the video, you could go ahead and tap the three dot icon next to it, which is gonna look something very similar. When you press this, you could go ahead and click on download. Once you tap the download button, it's gonna take a bit longer time depending on the video, and it's gonna be downloaded. Now similarly, if you want to download somebody else's VOD, then what you need to do is, this is not actually now very easy to do it so for others, as because they must have enabled some settings where you are unable to where you will not be able to download it, or where you could not go ahead and access their video producers. So what you need to do is, if you really want to go ahead and download the particular video, you could first of all type in a message to the following streamer, and then you could go ahead and tell them about the thing that you want to do it. And next thing what you can do is, they can either go ahead and provide you with the download option, or else if they give you an access to download it, you could go ahead and screen record the following video. So this way you could go ahead and download it. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.